Today we're going to be looking at different periodic trends on the periodic table, and yes, as you can read there, they are very trendy. The first periodic trend we're going to look at is called atomic radius, which is basically just the size of the atom. And the trend as you move from the left-hand side of the periodic table to the right-hand side of the periodic table is that the atomic radius is going to actually decrease or get smaller. So the size of the atom decreases as you move from the left to the right. Then when you move from the top of the periodic table to the bottom of the periodic table, the size of the atom is going to increase. And when we're talking about the size of the atom, we're including the nucleus and the electrons, so the whole atom. Why does the atomic radius decrease as we move across the period? So when you move across the period, the number of protons is going to increase in that nucleus. The more protons you have in there, the larger positive charge you're going to have in the nucleus. And what that's going to do is it's going to pull those electrons closer to it, because remember, the positive charge is going to attract the negative electrons. And so therefore, what we're going to do is we're going to end up with a smaller overall atom, because those electrons, all of them, even the ones on the outer energy level, are being pulled in closer. It's almost like having a stronger magnet. So the stronger the magnet, the more pull it's going to have on an object that contains iron. So the same is true with the protons. Because the protons are positive, they have more pull on those electrons and they pull them closer. Then when you go down a group, the atomic radius is going to increase because we are adding on energy levels. So if you remember, the number of energy levels corresponds to the period that the atom is in. So an atom in period 1 only has 1 energy level. An atom in period 7 is going to have 7 energy levels. So the more energy levels you have, the larger the atom is going to be. So those are all of the trends for atomic radius, or the size of the atom.